Kick it.
What would I do without the music now? Without the music, yeah.
Music is everything to me. Everything to me.
Yeah. What would I do without the music now? Without the music, yeah, without the music.
It a me heart beat, boy. It a me heart beat. Hey. Sleepless nights in my mind when I got no thoughts. I just put in my earbuds and with the music, oh, it walks inside of me.
Whenever I go to the stage show, to the party now, it's just music. What would I do without it? What would I do without the music now? Without the music, what would I do?
This music, oh, it's all over me. It's on my mind and my heart. Oh, is it a music factory? Manufacturing music in me.
What would I do without the music now? Yeah, yeah, without the music, I would lose it, yeah. What would I do without the music now? Kapsh and daddy laing just a pass through, yeah.
Hey, I thank you, daddy, let you use music, save me. That is an inspiration from Almighty. You know the art of thought in the culture of show. I just a music a guide me.
Yeah, and the music is nice, yeah. What would I do without the music now? Without the music, we would have lose it. Yeah, yeah. What is a party without the music?
Hey, mama, sleepless night, you comfort me. But in Jamaica where I'm lonely, the only thing I've got is this music. And the only thing can control me. Hey.
Just the music, yeah. What would there be a party without the music? There couldn't be no party without the music. What would I do without the music now? Whoa.
Hey, sometimes I'm hungry about when me listen to the music. You fill my mind and you fill my belly. Me drink some water, me go to my bed, all me got. I just this music.
Yeah. What would I do without the music now?
I just the only thing me got. I just the music. Tell them that they learn.